Hello guys, you are watching Technological Fair. Let's learn and watch me practically in these tutorials. How to recover your email in case someone who has stolen your email password. In case someone who has hijacked your email, hacked your email. Chanced recovery email and recovery phone numbers along with the passwords. Now you don't have the recovery email or recovery password or recovery phone number so that you can go in the positions to release it once again and get it back to your email. You are having these kind of problems. Now first, complete this step. Now first, within the 10 minutes you will be able to rescue your emails easily at your homes without having any assets. This area has been recommended by one viewer who has unfortunately lost his device, and due to that it doesn't have device access, doesn't have the phone numbers or emails recovery so that he can reset once again the password of whatever this email ID and he can recover it. So if it is not possible, that's why actually he has given, that's why now see via approximate alternative option of course we will recover and see how easily it can recover. So this factor from all of the viewers use as an institution purpose and of course recover by a similar study. Now here what we can do here is to simply we have options to recommend. Most probably we will go with the especially now here forget. If you don't know password then of course we will click on forget the password. Now here just we will go for tab and if I tap it now it's asking to the phone number. Let's say we don't have it. Now so since that especially I did not provide enough information for the user to the solution that is cancels very much. This can be the possible guys when answer as many questions as we can and of course use it as where the sign and look for today, but of course we will get further third options, third opportunity or by that of course we will get if I do here multiple times so try against there may be option below pin that Google will contact you. Google will endorse to justify this other yes, we will. On these icons and traffic there will come the notification blocks. Let's see this notification blocks will back further to of course permission and the permission will come location options and click on this then click on this so if you do especially if you do nice this feature of your device you no longer the concept similar strategy especially based from that it is so this we will tell you notifications in this cloud you will have a traffic block and of course it is just to see also we can have option then of course what we will have is once again we will have this will go this will must be data this options now we will fix this one. Now we have to fix what kind of the issues we will have to describe the issues. This we will go for fixing it's related to this one sense. Now here we can say that concern interviewers and reference. Now here we have appropriate options that you can someone else is using. So you can maybe have to maybe a specialist all into those. So these are all our issues. Combination application options. This will help in the second accounts. Now what we do? Now options are given. So now we have option find out. Is that especially in the click on these types of cover and we will tap on we'll go for next. This option will be used by just we have to tap on this that's after conversation course you will have option Google search option you will automatically just we will go tap on just we will tap on here guys now and here we will have to write in this particular email ID guys that you have lost. No, this ID is not just let me have see it is another ones. Yeah, this ones. Now see guys here just we will have to tap. Now see guys here it's essential that SP Slam succeeds. So that's what we will have to approach here now. just we have a two option on this here. So don't think so that actually you don't think so especially that you have actually successfully accepted. No, at all. So don't click on a especially I'm the continue. Why I'm saying truth? Because if you click on here, then you will tap on especially. It's verify your options. So in that condition, don't go for it. Just we will have to tap on it here, because if you go for continue, then definitely you will have to reset this password via recovery email and recovery, especially phone numbers with the help of OTP. So you don't have. So that's why actually you will have not so. Just to complete the chance, and then here the confirms of the password, and of course new password, the confirms of the password go with the according to the criteria of use the 8 less, especially 8 character. Don't use the password from to the another site, and then etc just and the paid names, so that once again it will be a special hack. So now here what we will have to just confirms the new password, and after confirming here, see guys here, this is the particular ID that of course we have rest here, this ID. Now here after doing here, just we will click on a yes Gmail, especially your device accounts, and after going to there is one security center there. Smartly after changing the password, of course stay in locked, and thereupon of course go in especially manage your Google accounts in the security center, and after going the security center, what you have to of course change the recovery email and recovery OTP. So such kind of incidents won't be happen especially again guys, and that's why I'm just saying you. And thereupon of course this is your accounts, whatever you do whenever you would like to reset password and things. So online especially I'm saying the on a screen, so that we cannot create the strong password, because we will have to deliver this audio to my audio. Of course this my viewers, so if I create had a strong password that would be in a public domain, and once again it will create one problem. So that's why actually this is all about in this video tutorial. After screen off, of course we will generating of course we would generate a new password, confirms a new password, changing to the OTP, etc, because maybe the concern of the personal details of especially in a public domain of my special viewer. So this is all about guys. Thank you for watching Technology Welfare, and of course it is informative and acknowledgeable. Don't forget especially like, subscribe, to share through these constants, because in this is things that will inspire me a lot to my such as informative tutorials, and maybe especially very helpful when you are having this kind of problem and you are going to the sessions from the YouTube. Easily you can get it, and of course by using similar steps you will get it back. So thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time guys. Bye bye.